Life may feel like it's on pause right now, but your health is not. If it's time to schedule your annual wellness screenings, like a mammogram, gynecology exam, cholesterol and blood pressure checks, and especially if you have any concerning symptoms or chronic conditions, don't delay getting the care you need. At Johns Hopkins Medicine, your health and safety are our top priorities. We are following stringent safety and cleaning protocols to protect our patients. Our doctors' offices, imaging centers, and outpatient centers are open and ready to care for you and your loved ones.